Hey everyone, Selena here from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm pumped to share the FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 vacuum sealer. If you love saving money on bulk buys, prepping meals, or keeping food fresh for longer, this machine could be a total game changer. Stick with me as we dive into its features, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it's worth your cash. Let's get started. So what makes the FoodSaver V4400 stand out? This 2-in-1 system combines a standard vacuum sealer with a retractable handheld sealer for bags, jars, and containers. It's got automatic bag detection, so you just slide the bag in and it vacuums and seals in one go. The smart moisture detection switches between dry and moist modes for perfect seals every time. It works with 8 and 11-inch FoodSaver rolls, pre-cut bags, and zipper bags, plus it has a built-in roll storage and cutter for custom sizes. The removable drip tray is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze, and it comes with a starter kit of bags and rolls. Oh, and it's backed by a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Now let's talk about pros. This sealer's a workhorse, sealing up to 30 bags without overheating, perfect for bulk preppers. The handheld sealer is awesome for quick tasks like sealing leftovers or marinating meats in minutes. It's super easy to use, handles wet and dry foods well, and keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer, reducing waste. Users love its reliability and versatility for sous vide cooking or freezer storage. But there are some cons. It's bulky, so you'll need counter space. The 2mm seal is narrower than some competitors, which might need a double seal for wet foods. Some users find the app clunky, and it can be noisy during operation. Delicate foods like bread might get crushed without careful pulsing. Should you buy the FoodSaver V4400? If you're into meal prep, bulk buying, or sous vide, this sealer's versatility and durability make it a fantastic pick. It's ideal for anyone who wants to save food and money without much hassle. Ready to seal the deal? Check out the FoodSaver V4400 using the link in the description for the best pricing and special promos from Rick's Review Hub. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews to shop smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.